There's a bike and there's a car wash down the road, like way down the road. And I'm going to attempt to go through the car wash on a bike. I will see you there. Okay, so I'm at the car wash. Here we go. And I'm actually going to have one of these guys film it. And I'm going to go through a car wash on my bike.
Wait, do you want me to film it sideways?
Do you want to rinse off and then a wash? Or
Probably I'm pretty hot out here.
all right, hey, rinse them up. All right, you ready right now?
Yeah, I'm pretty hot out here.
All right, hey, mate, get the tires, get the... Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sweet. What's your name? Jaden, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Let's go! What the heck? My man really out here. Getting all scrubbed and whatnot.
Perfect. I haven't washed this bike in like 3 months.
Wow, this is amazing. I've never seen a car fly like this. What's your top speed, homie?
Okay, I think this is, I just got this upgrade. I just got this upgraded and I think it's 24.
Okay, 24 speed, sweet. How'd you get that?
We went to Traction and just bought a better gears.
Sweet.
Nice. So, yeah, that was going through a car wash on a bike.
Oh, don't worry, it's not over. We gotta go.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
Yeah, you gotta get part 2.
We got more to go.
Yeah.
Okay, I got like 30 minutes of film time on my camera.
Do you want me to pause it, or are you gonna edit it?
It's good.
Okay.
It's very interesting. Wait, is this car wash free?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I'm
Yeah.
like, I would have gone home and grabbed some cash. but-
No, you're good.
All right, nice. I can scoot up now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
This man!
What are we owing?
We've seen Jeeps, we've seen Jack Ford trucks, but we have not seen a bike.
Oh, exactly. I'll call him up right after this. It's gonna be hilarious.
Oh, there's a kid in the back. My man want a nice car wash too.
Look at that sparkle.
I was thinking about getting a paint job. I don't like the weird beige color. I feel like I'm from the 80s now.
I dig it. It's in.
Yeah, it looks good. It really brings out your eyes.
I know, thanks.
We gotta rinse you off. Alright. Let's get him rinsed off. We gotta show him the best.
And then we wipe them down.
Yeah, then we wipe and dry.
Oh, be careful.
Exactly. I gotta go on.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Oh, missed the spot.
Yeah.
Oh, missed the spot.
Back.
Perfect.
Hey, if we're gonna get 5 stars, we got.
Yeah.
Let's not mess around. Okay, good.
This isn't free range.
Who's got the hose on him? Have you ever met missionaries before?
Hey, Sister Philly. He's up.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
I'm getting out of the way. I don't want to get. Ready?
Oh, God. Water is hilarious. No, I think I'm good.
Okay.
I just washed this a couple of days ago, so I'm
Hey,
good.
you gotta get the back too. You still got some spots.
My hose is only so long.
I'm just like,
Alright, wait, we gotta get the backside.
Yeah, you gotta get the backside.
How can we forget?
beautiful.
It's beautiful.
There we go. Oh, sorry.
Oh, my hand slipped. Whoa. Your hand. Like, never mind.
Hey, wash the bike, not the kids. Hey, you don't need to do laundry with those things.
Exactly. My mom would be so happy.
I hope so.
Got everything washed.
Now we separate the men from the boys.
I got like 3 years before I can get a car, so I'll probably be back in a couple years. We love you. You might have to wait for me.
Okay. Pinky promise.
This is also kind of like my face reveal video for YouTube, so
Yes.
dun, dun, dun. You've all seen and been enlightened of this awesomeness.
Oh, yeah.
Yay.
Oh, you still need to get wiped down.
Yes. The bike is very wet.
Luckily, this is very absorbent.
Exactly, rubber. This is what they should make cars out of, right? Very hard to get off of. I adjusted the seat, and I actually put this on myself. I consider this an achievement.
Yes.
Got more balls than most of the people here. I'll say that.
Yeah, this will probably be one of the easiest ones you've done all day.
All right.
Hey, you're gonna have to. You want to wipe down too, or?
Sure.
Hey, hold on the money. Will you
Oh,
pick up
I thought you were saying I wiped down the bike.
Oh, you can wipe down the bike. That's still
Yeah, I want to know.
Cars not too. I'm waiting in line.
All right, that should be good. All right, I think I can take that.